Hello again, this is Zanlin Nagmata for Computer Systems Servicing. As an aspiring computer technician, it is very important to know the system that runs your computer and different devices attached to it. Each device plays an important role. Without each other, computer will not work properly. First, what is an operating system? The operating system is the most important program that runs on a computer. Every general-purpose computer must have an operating system to run other programs. Operating systems perform basic tasks, such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. For large systems, the operating system has even greater responsibilities and powers. It is like a traffic cop. It makes sure that different programs and users running at the same time do not interfere with each other. The operating system is also responsible for security, ensuring that unauthorized users do not access the system. Operating systems can be classified as follows. The multi-user allows two or more users to run programs at the same time. Some operating systems permit hundreds or even thousands of concurrent users. Examples are Linux, Unix, Windows 2000. Multiprocessing supports running a program on more than one CPU. Examples are Linux, Unix, and Windows 2000. Multitasking. It allows more than one program to run concurrently. Examples are Unix, Windows 2000, and Windows Multipoint. Multithreading allows different parts of a single program to run concurrently. Examples are Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, and Windows 7. Real-time responds to input instantly. Generally purpose operating systems such as DOS and Unix are not real-time. Operating systems provide a software platform on which other applications programs can run. The application programs must be written to run on the top of a particular operating system. Your choice of operating system, therefore, determines to a great extent the applications you can run. For PCs, the most popular operating systems are DOS, OS, and Windows, but others are available, such as Linux. What are the devices of a computer? The physical, touchable, electronic, and mechanical parts of a computer are called the hardware, which is composed of different devices attached to the computer. The following list represents a basic set of devices found in most personal computers. Number 1 is system unit, the main part of a microcomputer, sometimes called the chassis. It includes the following parts: the motherboard, the microprocessor, memory chips, buses, ports, expansion slots, and cards. The motherboard or the mainboard or the system board, the main circuit board of a computer. It contains all the circuits and components that run the computer. The CPU or the central processing unit is the main brain or heart of a computer system. It performs all of the instructions and calculations that are needed and manages the flow of information through a computer. The primary storage or the internal storage main memory or memory is the computer's working storage space that holds data, instructions for processing and processed data, waiting to be sent to secondary storage. The primary storage is basically primary storage is a collection of RAM chips. The two types of memory are the read-only memory or the ROM. It is non-volatile, meaning it holds data even when the power is on or off. The random access memory, or the RAM, is volatile, meaning it holds data only when the power is on. When the power is off, RAM's contents are lost. The expansion bus. It is a data pathway between several hardware components inside or outside the computer. It does not only connect the parts of the CPU to each other, but also links the CPU with other important hardware. Adapters. Printed circuit boards, also called interface cards, that enable the computer to use a peripheral device for which it does not have the necessary connections or circuit boards. They are often used to permit upgrading to a new different hardware. Power supply. Installed in the back corner of the PC case next to the motherboard, it converts 120 standard house power into DC or direct current voltages that are used by other components in the PC. Hard disk drive, or HDD. In a Windows computer, the hard drive is usually configured as the C drive and contains the operating system and applications. The optical drive. An optical drive is a storage device that uses lasers to read data on the optical media. There are three types of optical drives: the compact disc or the CD, the digital versatile disc or the DVD, and the Blu-ray disc or the VD. The DVD is designed to optically access data stored on a DVD. A laser moves back and forth near the disc surface and accesses data at a very fast rate. Thank you for listening. References are slideshare.com.